Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make and print Tarpapel using Microsoft Word. So here we are with our design, and let's just go over and insert our image here. So we click the insert pictures and then this device. Then we go over and look for that particular image that we're gonna work in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real quick. There you go. So you go can dog. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. For the layout, let's go ahead and change this one to landscape, just like so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my picture a little bit bigger and then put it in the center. Now from this point forward, I'm gonna go ahead and click the file right here and choose print. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose my printer. So say, for example, it's going to be this one here. I'm going to click printer properties. Oops. Let's go ahead and change that. There you go. Let's head over to printer properties, and you should be seeing something like this. Now, paper size, go ahead and make that adjustment. And then for the media type, you're going to go ahead and choose what kind of paper you'll be using. So for example, in my case, I'm going to choose photo papers and then matte. And here you have the page layout. So you can go over and click this one and you have different options here. But say, for example, 9x9 or 3x3 poster. That's what I'm going to be choosing. So basically, that image of mine is going to be divided into this kind of setup here of the papers. Now, what I'm going to do later on is just basically connect them, cut them, and then tape them together to make the picture look as it is right now. And yeah, go ahead and click OK and then hit the print button right here and you are good to go. And that's how you're going to make and print Tarpapel using Microsoft Word.